There's nothing better than a defensive touchdown, and this week's play of the game is Donovan Olumba's pick six that ended the Buccaneers' first offensive drive and put the Dallas Cowboys on the board. Jamil Showers comes hard off the edge and is able to get a partial deflection on Griffin's pass. While the receiver breaks on his out route, Olumba has his eyes in the backfield and is able to react to the fluttering pass. He goes down on his knees and gets his hands underneath the ball. After securing the catch, he gets up and runs down the sidelines. This is a great job by the rest of the Cowboys defense. He picks up an excellent block on the receiver, and the other Cowboys defenders are smart enough to not get a block in the back penalty that would have negated this touchdown. The preseason is all about young players making plays. Donovan Olumba showed that he has the ability to step up and make a play when presented with the opportunity. And that is why this is the play of the game.